This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's a joy to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over cut time or 2/2 time, and we're going to learn a strumming pattern that works really well in that meter. With this strumming pattern, we'll work it together with a couple exercises, and then we'll jam together on a couple songs, you, me, and the band, so it's going to be super fun. This video does accompany lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. So in that book, we're on page 86, or we'll be starting on page 86. There on page 86, cut time is explained, so this video supplements that information. We've got a song there, and this strumming pattern is strumming pattern letter C there on page 86. Okay, so 4/4 time is known as common time. We've seen 4/4 time a lot. It's known as common time because it's the most common time signature that we run into. So sometimes instead of in the time signature having 4/4 written, 4 over the 4, you might see a letter C instead. They mean the same thing, 4 beats per measure, 4 quarter notes per measure, or the equivalent of 4 quarter notes per measure. Cut time has a line through the letter C. We might also see this as 2/2, 2 over 2. Interestingly enough, 2 half notes per measure is the rhythmic equivalent of 4 quarter notes per measure. So in essence, the time signatures create the same thing. So why use one versus the other? Well, in general, it's just suggesting a feel, whether we should be feeling the song in 4 or whether we should be feeling the song in 2. Generally, as things slow down, 4/4 time works well because we feel each of those 4 beats. But if we get things going fast enough, it's really hard to feel all 4 beats. It's much easier to feel 2 beats per measure and have that be that way. Reading the music, it's going to look the same rhythmically. 4 quarter notes in a measure looks the same, whether it's in 2/2 time or 4/4 time. Therefore, in cut time versus common time. But if you imagine directing the music and you were trying to direct something fast in 4, your arm would be going all over the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, that's not very helpful, but if it went to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're feeling it in 2, that makes sense. So generally speaking, 2/2 time or cut time is something that we're going to be feeling, whether that time signature is used or not when we're playing things faster. Most of the time, depending on the groove. That might not always be the case, but a lot of the times as we go faster. And then, depending on that groove, the slower we go, it's much easier to feel things in 4. So that's a little bit by the tempo. Sometimes the groove makes a big difference too on whether we're feeling something in 4 versus 2. We've actually already in the lesson series played some songs that have had cut time in the time signature, but we've just used our strumming patterns for 4/4 time. And interestingly enough, this strumming pattern is one of the ones that we've actually used in 4/4 time, but we're going to take a look at it here in 2/2 time, just trying to play this at a faster tempo. Really, essentially, that's what we do. So anytime you see something written in 2/2 or cut time versus 4/4 time or common time, it really looks the same on the page. Rhythms look the same. It's just a matter of feel or tempo, whether we're feeling it in 2 or we're feeling it in 4. That's all there is when it comes to the difference. So, as a general principle, we can use the strumming patterns that we have learned for 4/4 time with cut time. We just may have to adapt them a little bit to match the groove that's happening. So we're going to be using the strumming pattern that we're highly familiar with as we try doing this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Super comfortable to us at this point in the lesson series. We've used this one so much. But what we are going to do here in this video that's a bit of a challenge is we're going to play faster than we have in any of the videos previously. So we're going to be starting that off, working it at a faster tempo. So you just want to go at a faster tempo. Now, this is the trick to going faster in our strumming. There's a couple tricks to it. One is it's essential to stay relaxed. If you tighten up, if you grip that pick tighter, or you just tighten up any of the muscles through here, of course we're prone to injury and hurting tendons, ligaments, muscles, that sort of thing. But it also makes it harder to strum faster. So it's important to stay relaxed. So you just have to, a key to learning to stay relaxed is to play something at a slow tempo, a slow enough tempo where you are relaxed. So if you are relaxed, then you just try and maintain that relaxed feeling and speed up the pace gradually. So that's one trick. The other one is that the faster we go with our strumming patterns, the less the arm is involved. The wider the strumming is, it becomes much tighter, tighter, and more in the wrist. So when we do tighter strumming, we can go faster. So just with muted strings there, we'd have 1, 2, up, up, 4, up. And when counting, I just counted that as if it's in 4 time. It's okay to count 2, 2 that way when you're looking at the rhythms. It's okay. But we're going to be feeling things a little bit faster. And hopefully in 2. So you want to get that going. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And you can just get it going as fast as you can, really. But just nice and fast. If we were to take this and practice this with one of the progressions that we're going to be using here as we jam together, we're going to be in the key of A. And so let's just go ahead and take A, D, and E7 and come back to A. So we'll do one measure on each. A, D, E7, and A. If you've been going through the lesson series, that is probably a pretty comfortable thing to do at this point, even at that tempo. So let's do it just a little bit. Down, down, up, up, down. 1, 2, ready, and. So we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now that would be a kind of a slow 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's try and speed it up. So 1, da, 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 da. Taking it even faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the cool thing about feeling stuff that goes really fast in 2, or even slowing it down to feeling it in 1, just filling the whole measure, is it makes it feel like even though we're playing something really fast, we're actually still just relaxed. So when we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we can be feeling it at 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can take the frantic out of it. So you want to take that strumming pattern and try getting so you can just move it faster and faster and faster. That's essentially what's going to happen. Now we're going to jam together in some cut time feel a little bit here, playing this strumming pattern. And as I mentioned, any strumming pattern we've done in 4/4 time, and you could even use ones we've done in 2/4 time. Sometimes those work as well if you want the strumming pattern to go slower. If you wanted less things happening in that measure, you could have just down, down, up, but each one of these would need to be twice as long. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you wanted slower strumming going in the cut time feel, then you could take a strumming pattern like one we've done for 2/4 and have it just be twice as long, where instead of a quarter note there, it's a half note, and then instead of the eighth notes, you've got quarter notes. That could be written there for 2/2 time would be another option. But we're going to go ahead and use one that we're really comfortable with. We've done a lot of, and challenge ourselves a little bit to play faster. So we're going to do this first with, on page 94, strumming pattern practice progression number 11. So we're going to do that one. We'll jam together using that one. It's going to happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. And then we will come over to page 86 again, and we will do number 2, This Old Man. That's going to go through 4 times. So we'll play through that song 4 times. And again, that one's going to happen first at a slower tempo and a faster tempo. So we're going to jam on those using this strumming pattern. Super fun. Let's go ahead and do it.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my drum with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played too. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my drum with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video that goes with lesson 14, we're going to do strumming pattern letter D, which is another strumming option for cut time. So it's going to be another one. It's going to be great. Take care. I'll see you then.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.